Yeah, just show her real quick. Show him my number. Show him my #1 hater real quick, bro.
I get a close up on that one.
Another one.
The only one. Alright guys, welcome back to part 3 of the SI hatch build. And I'm so fired up for this one because I finally was able to get all the body panels that we need to start fitting everything together and see just how straight the body is and what we're gonna have to do to move forward to the bodywork. So if all goes well, we should make a lot of progress today. Alright, so this is the first piece that I have gotten, and I mentioned it in the previous video. I hope that the fitment is going to be good because this is one of the parts that's from Civic, but hopefully there isn't too tough of a time to try to fit it onto the car. And then in this box here, we got the bumper filler. Okay, well, it looks pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't give us a problem fitting it on the car, but it looks solid. It looks really good. This was from Rock Auto, so that was cool because that saved me on that. And then this is the one that I have been waiting on forever, which is the fender, the passenger side fender. I finally got it. Even now at Civic, I've been waiting like 2 months for them to get one in, and even when they got one, they only had 2, so I've moved on it super fast. I've still been looking on Facebook and other places to see if I could get one locally because shipping one is just super expensive for some reason. But even then, I haven't been able to find any OEM stuff. It's just so hard to find right now. So this is what I had to settle for, and this is another Civic part, but like I said, hopefully they just fit fine and we can get going with the bodywork with these. And then I also forgot about these. I got these from Rock Auto as well, and it's the signal lights that are gonna go in the bumper. So brand new ones of these. I also had to order the corner lights for them, which were out of stock, so I had to wait on those as well, but they finally got some more in stock, so I ordered those. So they should be here probably sometime next week. Alright, but before we start fitting any of the new panels on, I want to take this brace off here because in the future I'm gonna have to take it off anyway, because that's where I'm gonna most likely be running the intercooler through. So, and it'll also make it a lot easier to try to fit the bumper on there as well. So we're gonna take that off before we start fitting anything on. There she is. You can see right there, that's the that's the only part where the damage did get to. But I guess we could have kept it, but like I said, either way, I'm gonna have to take this off to run the intercooler piping through there, so might as well just do it now. The only thing that I am unsure about though is how I'm gonna connect the bumper filler and the bumper and everything together, because on this brace that I just took off, the bumper goes and screws in right here. So I don't know if I'm just gonna like take this piece off of the brace and somehow fit it onto the car and make it work, but I guess I'll just, you know, cross that bridge when we get there. Ooh, damn, that already. Just with that looks pretty good. quick. Show him my number. Show him my #1 hater real quick, bro.
I get a close up on that, dude.
Another one.
The only one. Shit. I'm gonna try to get some clamps or something to try to hold this on. She looking, baby, damn. That actually looks better than I thought. Honestly. Well, I think it looks pretty good considering that we got Certifit parts and the bumper filler from Rock Auto. Like I said, I've still been trying to find the OEM stuff, but I haven't had any luck. But this definitely gives us a good starting point to move forward and get the fitment that we want, so that way we can start the body work. All right, the last thing I'm gonna do today is just try to put these into the bumper and see how they look.
Like shit.
Look back at it, dude. What the?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, what'd you say? Can you say that one more time, dude? I don't think the camera heard you.
Good though.
Hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, they even got like weather stripping on. Damn, son. That looks hella good. All right, guys, well, there it is. We had a super productive day on the hatch. All of the panels look like they're gonna fit pretty good. We'll be able to make them work. So now that I have an idea of how they're gonna fit, we can start on the body work so we can start bringing this thing to life and making it look exactly how it should. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the car, how it looks, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.